So hi guys, I have now did some progress. I am now on step 3.
Okay, great. Nice.
So now guys, we are finally at number 4.
Okay, cool.
So now we are at number 5.
You're number 5. Good. What's that look like now? The feet of Super Mario. Good. Okay, so you're now in stage 6.
So right now we're on step number 7. This is how much progress we've already made.
Awesome.